On November 18, 2025, we bought a 20-ton road roller from the north at a price of 2 per jin, planned 1 month for a full overhaul, and then put it to work to see if the cost can be recovered. Although we did not start and test it on site, the actual condition is much better than expected. The engine runs well, and if the hydraulic vibration system has no issues, then this is a real bargain, and the remaining exterior restoration will be much easier. After testing the machine is operating normally, both high and low vibration work fine, and next we will prepare it for alignment inspection and refurbishment. The rear housing mounting points were completely rusted away. Luckily, the mounting cup is still there. The exhaust elbow was also badly damaged, and the rear section of the housing was severely destroyed. Although this road roller is pretty worn out, it should still make money, right? You are hiding some savings. After buying you a new electric car, the BMW 3 Series was left unused. So I sold it on Gwazi for 120,000, which was 10,000 higher than market price. It was a direct person-to-person sale with no middle transfers, so the price was higher. The buyer saved money and the seller earned more. I recommend Gwazi person-to-person for selling used cars. In just 1 month, this worn-out road roller was fully refurbished with engine maintenance and all worn pipelines replaced. Now it is ready for the job site to see if the cost can be recovered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.